is, and they call it Puppy Love. Dominique is delivering speech number 7.
That's incorrect, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Speech number, chapter 1.
Okay, speech number, unknown number, from the Competent Communicator Manual, Getting Comfortable with Visual Aids. Dom's visual aid today has 4 legs and a tail. It's wagging ferociously. Please help me welcome Dominique in her speech, and they call it Puppy Love.
Fridays ago, I was getting my hair done in Palm Desert.
Oh dear.
I was sitting there in the chair, getting blown out, when all of a sudden, a woman appeared at the door with a dog. And the dog was adorable. I said, "What's going on?" And she said, "I have a dog. And I found him on Portola, dodging traffic." And I said, "Oh no, what happened?" She said, "I don't know, there were cars everywhere. And he was dodging traffic and he almost got hit and I almost got killed saving him." And I said, I felt like a 3-year-old little kid, "Give him to me." And she did. She put him in my arms. And life was never the same. He melted into me like hot butter in a frying pan. Just a little golden angel. And I said, "What am I going to call you?" "I'm going to call you Blonde Puppy. You're sort of a blonde puppy. I just don't know what to make of you.
Oh, look at him.
We have to find your owner." Okay, first thing I'm going to do, text my husband.
Oh.
"I found a dog." No, delete. "I love you, sweetie." Send. Ding. "I love you too." Okay, good. "I found a dog. But we don't have to keep him." Send. LOL, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay, off to a good start. I took him home.
Look at him.
I put him on the seat next to me and I buckled him in safely. In 2 seconds, he wiggled out and he was sitting in my lap. And we were off on our way to Cathedral City. Well, this is exactly how it was sitting. I'm driving. You know, this probably isn't safe. Well, I put him under the seatbelt, wherever that's working. If the airbag goes, at least we'll both be cushioned. We get home. I took him immediately into the bathroom because even though he was shaved very cropped and had this sort of funny lion cut, I thought, well, if you have fleas, I don't want them in my house. So let's go get you in the bathtub. Okay. Well, we went straight into the bathroom, filled up the tub with about half filled with water, and I put you in the tub, and you just went. He looked at me. "Okay, I'll go in the tub. I hope you don't drown me, but I trust you." I didn't drown him. I got in there with him. We had a nice little tubby together with some Johnson's baby shampoo. And he got all clean and delicious smelling. Then we dried off and I took him straight to the vet to see if he was microchipped, because that's the responsible thing to do when you find a pet. Well, there was no microchip, So I went ahead and got him an exam, got his nails clipped. They said he was about 2 years old and in pretty good shape. And he'd clearly been looked after. They said he had some matted fur and somebody had clearly shaved him and taken care of him. Went home, hopped on Craigslist, started scouring the ads for found dogs. And there was an ad that said, Palm Desert near Fred Waring, lost dog with lion cut. Small, white dog. White? Blonde. Come on. Well, some people. Anyway, I thought, lion cut, this is him. This is him. We emailed. We think we found your dog. Nothing. For hours. 5 hours. Come on, if you lost your dog, wouldn't you be checking the email every 5 seconds? 5 hours later, my husband had sent the email. I sent the email. Come on, we found your dog. Email us. And why wouldn't you put your phone number too? At midnight, the phone rang. I leaped out of bed. Hello? You found our dog? Yes, I think so. Email me a picture. She did. It was him. I said, oh, it's him. And I told her everything. I said, we took him to the vet. I gave him a bath. We clipped his nails. I checked for a chip. She said, this is the second time he's run away. Thank God I left that ad on Craigslist. You know, you sound like you really cared about him. Did you want to keep him? And I said, oh, boy. Oh, boy. Do I? Do I? My husband said no. I gave him back. I said, goodbye, little brown puppy. I realized the universe brought him into my life to show me how capable I was of giving love. So I cried for 3 days. I curled into a tiny fetal position, and I didn't stop crying. And on the 3rd day, my husband said, will you please call that woman and get your goddamn dog back? Which I did. And now, Mr. Wiggles and I
He's a little confused.
live
I'm blowing mine.
happily ever after. Madam Toastmaster.